Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete purchase history on App Store on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently purchased many apps or application from the App Store and you have done many purchases on the App Store, now if you want to delete any of the purchase history, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings again, and this time you have to simply go to name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases and you have to click on view account here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface is available. So here what you have to do, you have to simply provide the password. So after providing the password, you have to check the settings. Now I have provided the password. So after providing the password, you can simply see all the settings related to your account settings. So here you can simply find the purchase history. So if you click on your purchase history, then you can simply check your purchase history by changing the filter. So here what you have to do, you have to simply first of all check what you want. You want to check the purchase history related to paid or any kind of things. So you have to simply click on this year and also you can select last year. And after that, you can simply click on apply. And after you apply, then you can simply see that there is option available that you can simply check all the purchase history of the last year. Even you can also customize your apps or all the things. You can simply check for that. For here, you have to simply wait for some time so that loading can be done. So after a few seconds of loading, you can simply see all the purchase history here. So now if you want to delete, then you can simply see that here. It will take to you the App Store. So you can simply check for the order ID and order date. So if you want to delete the purchase history, then there is no option available to that. So you have to simply make sure that before purchasing that it will record all the things and there is no option available to delete. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.